Yeah. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Vaughn, and as you can see, we finally back in the closet. That means we back for another episode of Vaughn's Closet. You know what I mean? We back in the closet, man. As you can see, back in the closet. Got the boxes with me. Backdrop look a little different because, as y'all saw in the last video, whenever I posted it, I'm in the process of selling my collection. The fitteds is not going nowhere, as you can see them. You know what I mean? They've been replaced, so y'all now moving forward every video, y'all gonna be able to see the fitted collection in the background as opposed to the sneaker collection. But yeah, the fitted collection is in the process of getting sold. Still plenty of stuff as of today, June 13th, Monday, June 13th, when this video is being recorded. Still plenty of stuff left. So if you want anything, follow me on Instagram right there at KingXVaughn_. And I mean, if you see something you like and it's in your price range, let me know. I'm willing to ship. No trades, cash, Zelle, whatever you want to do. You know what I mean? It's preferred. If you're local in Atlanta, hit me up on the gram. We can meet up, meet halfway. You know what I mean? I'll pull up on you, vice versa. We can make, you know what I mean, make the sell, you know what I mean, make it do what it do. But yeah, hope y'all been liking the vlogs I've been doing. I've been trying to do a lot of vlogs lately with the homies. Shout out to Tristan, Tay, you know what I mean, for tagging along. So far we went to Versus, Full Circle, Cooked Up Kicks, all the way up in Athens, Hype 24/7. So been to a lot of different shops, you know what I mean, since the summer started and everything like that. Just trying to switch up the content, you know what I mean, from getting outside the closet into these streets, you feel me? But as you can see, we got some boxes with us, so I'm gonna just run down these boxes. Yeah, since we ain't been in the closet in a minute, haven't done unboxing in a minute, that's what this video is about to be. 1, 2, 3, 4, well technically 3 unboxing, 1 unboxing that's not even mine, my homie let me borrow, and 1 piece is already outside the box. So yeah, let's get into it. Because I've been gone for so long, I was gonna do the fitteds last, but let's just go from top to bottom, you feel me? First piece, shout out to Chronic Images, if y'all can see that, you know what I mean? Chronic Images, like I said, it's already out the box. Fire tee. Fire tee, you know what I mean? T-shirt from Chronic Images. If you following them on Instagram, do you know what they about? You know what I mean? Apparently homie draws these pieces and then screen prints them on super great quality t-shirts. You know what I mean? Definitely one of the fire pieces I've got so far this summer. I'll throw some B-roll in there so y'all can see the t-shirt fully, you know what I mean? And I might even try it on for y'all, man. I mean, I might switch it up, try it on, let y'all so y'all can see it in its full effect. But I'm gonna do a video of all my superhero t-shirts because the collection is getting kind of crazy, I'm not gonna lie. The collection is getting kind of crazy. But first t-shirt, like I said, I'll do some B-roll, maybe try it on with a fit or two for y'all as well. But if not, bear with me. Main reason why I'm trying to sell all my sneakers is because I'm trying to buy a new camera so that editing can become faster and better for me, so that these videos can be a lot more doper. I'm kind of at the mercy of my computer right now, so that's why a lot of the content has been kind of straightforward and direct. The editing has kind of been pretty, you know what I mean, mediocre, if I'm being completely transparent, and pretty critical of myself, because I don't have a valid video card. So that's the main reason why I'm selling on my sneakers, so that I can get a legit, fully loaded laptop, so that my editing can, you know what I mean, go to the next level. Chronic Images, I'll post her Instagram right there. He does fire drops often. And go on eBay, because these shirts be flipping for like $200, $250. So if you could grab one for retail, do so. Y'all should already know who that's from. If not, it's from Toppers. But as you can see, it's already been opened. As you can see, it's already been opened. Copped this brim, I want to say a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago. I finally pulled the trigger, because every time it would drop last year and the year before that, I would always miss it. Now granted, the side patch isn't the one I wish they would have used. I wish they would have used the big, I'll show you the side patch that I wish they would have used when I take it out the box. But first unboxing and first fitted unboxing, I feel like in a while, you know what I mean, if I'm being real. But yeah, let's get into it. Me and good old little knickknacks, and shout out to the Bay, you feel me? But Frisco, saying it all year, it's the year of the two-tone, you feel me? The year of the two-tone. I mean, finally got that beef from Broccoli. Phillies two-tone, classic Phillies P up top. You know what I mean? White New Era flag, pink bottom, black guts, green bill, brown crown, green button. You know what I mean? Finally got that beef and broccoli two-tone, you feel me? 2008 World Series. I remember that World Series because my brother is a big Phillies fan and this was a big deal. But yeah, so this is the patch they used. I wish they would have used this patch. Hold on. I wish they would have used that patch right there. That 1996 All-Star Games Phillies patch with the Liberty Bell. This is arguably, not arguably, but to me, this is the Phillies' best patch. And then their best front logo is probably the Classic P or the big script Phillies logo. I still need a big Philly script. If you got a 7.5 and a Philly script, let me know, because I need it. Whether it was that Sneaker Town two-tone they dropped, the white with the baby blue brim, the green under brim, fire. Or that other Sneaker Town joint that was like the the Royal Crown with the white brim and the red under. That shit was crazy. But yeah, I need a Philly script logo. Let me know, 7.5. Holla at me. Next fitted, you know what I mean? All overseas fitted is this unboxing. This fitted is not even mine. Shout out to the homie Tristan. We was on the video chat like the night before. He was like, "Yo, this collection is fire. I really want this fitted." I was like, I wasn't really feeling them, you know what I mean? But I caught the drop as soon as it dropped. I opened the Instagram app like as soon as the drop went live. Went on the website, was able to cop for him. This nigga was asleep, so I copped it for him. So because I copped it for him, he's gonna let me do the unboxing on video. So here is this fitted. I think it was a Mariners fitted, if I'm not mistaken. I don't even remember, but the fitted is cool. You'll see in a second. But yeah, this fitted is not even mine. It's not even mine, but they got my name on it, obviously because my name was on the order. But shout out to what is this spot? Yeah, Fam Cap Store. I believe this spot is based in Germany, if I'm not mistaken. Then we got the box within the box. Yo, Tristan, you lucky I'm not keeping this because this is fire. You know what I mean? Got the box within the box. Nice little pen. Is that in English? Yes, it is. Do it like me on the pin with the little guy dripped out. Homie got the little F fitted with the F chain, the navy cargos, and the black toe ones. Homie dripped out right there. Man, swaggy. But yeah, it's just a fan pin. It just says FAM. Nice little pin. But this is what y'all are here for, of course. Bam. Nice summery brim. Oh yeah. I might have shot myself in the foot not getting this for the personal, bro. But it's like, to me, it would have been whack because I really wasn't feeling it. So it's like, especially after the homie, we was on the phone, I was like, he was like, I was feeling this. It's just whack because, as you can see, me and this nigga were the same size. But you got the tail crown, the like cream brim, that Seattle Mariners S with the compass in the middle, fire, with the teal button, the teal holes, perforations around the top of the crown, and this patch. 30th, that's a 30th anniversary, 1997 to 2007 Mariners. This patch is fire. Fire patch. With the creamish, off-whitish underbrim, with the black guts, the medium in the middle baddie. It's not super raised and it's not super flat. And then, like I said, like that lavender button up top. This is hard. This is hard. Yo, this is a good pickup, bro. And then we got the lavender New Era flag on the side. See, get you some friends like me, man, because I could have easily kept this for the personal. I could have easily copped one for the personal, but I was like, you know what? The homie said he wanted this. He overslept because they dropped. This drop went live at like 8 a.m. like, you know what I mean, Eastern time. You know what I mean, and on as far as the on the Western Hemisphere. You know what I mean. So I don't even know why I was up, but I was, and I caught it. But this is hard. This is hard. I'm not gonna lie. All right, I went to go get the Lysol container. Just so first brim of the day, you know what I mean? Baby blue, Toronto Blue Jays joint, fire. 1993 World Series, all baby blue, all the way around. Flat baddie, baby blue and red, baby blue button, green bottom with the black guts. This is one of my favorite brims, because that baby blue with the green brim just goes so crazy. But I went to go get the Lysol container. You know what I mean? I feel like I don't ever try on the hats when I'm doing these videos. So, you know what I mean? Got the Lysol, get the brim nice and right. You know what I mean? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know what I mean? Put that down. You know what I mean? Got the perfect curvature. I'm not gonna do the homies because I don't know if he wants his like this, but throw that joint on the noggin and yes sir. Can't go wrong. And this fitted is made in, all right, so the Phillies two-tone is made in China. The Mariners two-tone, I should have got this damn hat, bro. Damn, this shit is hard. This is made in China. Beef and broccoli, and now I definitely gotta cop them beef and broccoli New Balances. That's mandatory now. Last fitted of the day, again another one from Toppers. We care about caps. You damn right. Last fitted unboxing of the day. Let's crank this open and see what we working with. And this is a fitted, even though I had just copped this one, this was a fitted I wanted for a while, just because I don't have a lot of these Angels patches, and I wanted another one, but I finally was able to grab this. You know what I mean? Just a classic Angels 40th anniversary patch, big body Angel Wing A on the front, 30th anniversary. I think that's what this is. So 40th anniversary Angels patch on the side, pink with the brown and the black. Brown button up top, again brown all the way around. Brown New Era flag as well. Pink bottom with the white guts. So yeah, this is a fitted I always wanted. Oh, this is new. Hold on. I don't know what it is, but the sweatband feels way different than any other sweatband I've ever felt on a hat. It's like, I don't even know how to explain it. It's just mad smooth. This is also made in China, but nah, this sweatband is immaculate. Fire. Anaheim Angels, big Angel A, 40th anniversary brim. Brown mocha with the pink brim. Too bad I sold my mochas, and yeah, but I'm gonna get them back. Now the last unboxing of this video is of one of the more recent drops, more recent collabs. As you can see, Cactus Jack Corporation's Nike logo, Cactus Jack logo. Nike and Cactus Jack logo again. As you can see, this is a size 13. I'm a 10.5. So again, these are not mine, and these are not for sale as far as I am concerned. They're looking like eggnog, man. It's a cool sneak, man. I think they look better in hand, for sure. Got the Cactus Jack on the sole. So we got the Cactus Jacks, 2 fire brims, a third one on the noggin. You feel me? Shout out to the homies for letting me unbox some of their pieces that they were able to grab. One of them I was able to grab for them, and the other one they were able to grab for themselves. Follow both of them and post both for their Instagrams right here. You know what I mean? Post the homies, show love, follow them. But again, Cactus Jacks, Seattle Mariners two-tone, Phillies two-tone, Mocha Angels fitted, fire, Chronic Images, Bat and the Cat t-shirt. You know what I mean? Might be selling a single collection, but we're still gonna be bringing heat to this channel, as you can see. So again, please comment down below, like and subscribe like the video, subscribe to the channel. The road to 1,000 and to being monetized continues. I apologize for the hesitation in uploads. Again, I'm at the mercy of my computer most days when it comes to uploading and editing, so that takes a lot of time, a lot more time than it should. But again, I appreciate you guys for coming and watching these videos whenever you do. Again, like, comment, subscribe, follow myself and the homies on Instagram and all of our socials. And I'll see y'all next week, man. Peace and love always.